So it is Sunday and I am off to another wet pad day down at Hampton Downs. This one is for Emir's birthday. So as a celebration, just like my birthday a few weeks ago, we had a pad day, so we're going to be doing that again. Currently we're just on the way to his workshop. Going to be meeting up with Charlie and Reese as well. Then we're all going to head down, probably grab a feed on the way down, and then we're going to hit the pad. So stick around and yeah, we'll get into it. Angry fish. Yeah. You look like an angry. I think they're tiny. Do you actually think this is going to make it? Huh? Do you think this is going to make it? No. Back up the Bombays. Yeah, it's just the way it's parked. There's always one who's never ready. I'm not going to name any names, you're going to be able to see him very soon. But so far we've got Charlie with his Datsun, Diego in his S14, Reese in his Altezza. So it's all going pretty good. We're going to be making our way down to probably the Bombays actually, or the Autobahn, and probably get a feed of Macca's on the way. It's like the token food you have to get for any track event. So let's get it. Just registered, signed in, waiting on more people to arrive. At the moment they've got Porsche Club going on, but that's not our buzz. Our buzz is over there. So we're going to get out in probably about an hour. Should be good. What's up? Yeah, man. Yeah, good, very good. Pardon? Car's looking good, man. Missed it, but Emir and Reese were out having a tandem. Reese got so close to the wall, he almost stacked it, but luckily he didn't. So let's go down the pad, get a bit more angle, or more angle, I mean camera angles, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, but damn, so close. Yes, there's so many good drivers here today, but yeah, so we're gonna get some more footage hopefully. Unfortunately my other camera, I forgot to charge it last night, so I am relying on the Hero5, so hopefully it does the trick. So Emir has given Josh Nita his car, and he's doing alright actually. Let's go see him.
Front bumper now, eh? Looks like you can't see it. Yeah, that's there.
Only just, like, but it's just like
oh, it just touched them. That's awesome.
Nothing, eh?
Kill a nigga on my soul and really do it, that's the true meaning of a ghost rider. 10 G's to take your daughter out of Air Forces. Believe you me, homie, I know all about losses. I'm from Compton where the wrong colors be closest. One phone call,
so
your body dumping mossy.
happy birthday. Thanks.
I think we're good. Got a ticket?
wheel just nipped it.
Yeah, I thought so.
So how we doing, buddy?
I don't know. She's pretty fucked.
Yeah, that rail's a bit bent too.
It's squished.
That's nasty.
I don't know what I'll do. I've never destroyed a car this badly before. Probably stack it, but she'll be right.
You're doing pretty good.
Famous last words, I'll probably stack it.
Oh, this guy.
That's what he said. He said it.
Good, buddy.
10 out of 10.
Well, that is a day pretty much done. Still got Daniel killing it out on the pad, but it's been a blast. Emir's birthday day has just been one of the best wet pad days I've ever been to. The energy was good. The drivers were good. Everyone was having an absolute blast today. So Hampton Downs, awesome. Until next time, but remember to subscribe if you like that stuff. Make sure to hit that like button as well. Share it if you want to. Stay tuned for more videos. But yeah, absolutely the good old DE Neo. Alright, like I said, till next time, peace. Oh, can't reach. Got it.